I'm Asha and today I'm going to teach you how to make a cup in Blend. First, go and add a reference image of a cup. Go and add a cylinder. After adding the cylinder, go to the edit mode and enable X-ray mode and scale it like how I do. The line should be aligned with the picture. Follow my steps there. Select two cubes. Now extrude them out, extrude them up. Now scale them. Do this process again and again. Go around so it to make the handle. Do it again. Rotate it. Again extrude it. Rotate it. Extrude it. Scale it. And after you did that, you can go to the PC tab and add a subdivision surface. Before doing that, you should delete the upper part. Go to the object mode again. Now enable the X-ray mode. Add the solidify modifier. This will give a thickness to the object. Delete the under circle. Now extrude it a little bit. Now again select F. Now it's look perfect. Now it's time. Now time to create the plate. First add the circle. Go to the edit mode. Fill it by pressing F. Extrude it by hitting E and scale. Do it that again. Enable proportionality. Extrude it up. Delete the top. Now extrude it down. Now it look like an plate. Go to the object mode and place the cup on the plate. Now go add the subdivision surface. Increase the amount of subdivisions. Now add the material. Change it from principal shader to glass shader. Change the principal shader to glass shader. Now do that again to the plate. Go to the camera view. Now add the plane under it. Extrude it. Now go to the render and change the scene settings from EV to cycles like that. Now you can see the glass plate and the cup. Now let's add the color to the plane. After adding color to the plane, go to the world setting and change the world color to color you of the plane. Now it's looking good. It is taking some while. You can render the image out and it will look like something this, and this will be the final product. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe, like and comment down below. And again, thanks for watching. See you in another video.